Honestly, I've wanted this procedure for as long as I can remember. As cliche as that is, I have always thought of myself having bigger breasts, and I just never had them. And so it was something I've always had in my mind, but never jumped on it, whether I was waiting for a certain age or what. I just was never comfortable enough to make it happen. I knew that he was listening to me, and I had that confidence in him and that faith, or whatever you want to call it. But I'm so glad I did, because I feel like if I had said, I want a C cup, and then it came out not a C cup, then you're immediately setting yourself up for disappointment. And maybe the C cup isn't even what I need to achieve the look I'm looking for. And so, yeah, maybe it was a little unconventional, but I told him, I just want to look like this, and he delivered it. I was so excited, and I was happy that my husband was finally on board. I probably would have done it anyways, but it was nice to have him see what I had been wanting for so long. You know, he loves me and cares about me, and he didn't want me necessarily going under the knife. He saw it as kind of a superficial, silly thing, and I don't think he understood like how much it really affected me emotionally, mentally, like the psyche and all that, until he saw my interaction with Dr. Schlesinger, and he was really sold at that point. Going into surgery, I was actually just excited. I wasn't excited about waking up from surgery, but I had really no nerves that morning. I was just ready to get it done. Yeah, I had no nerves. I was excited to get it done, and then even when I came in the next morning for the first checkup, I was sore, but I was still really happy I'd done it. I had the booby blues for like maybe a day, and it wasn't necessarily regret. It was shock, and I think just that immediate change. You wake up and you're totally different. Even though you want to be totally different, you've signed on for it. It was just that initial shock. It was like, okay, what did I just do? And then the swelling goes down, and you're just so happy. Like everything, it was exactly what I wanted. I've seen Dr. Schlesinger at every follow-up appointment, and then the rest of the staff who's always taking care. Sometimes I went in for ultrasound, which was awesome. It was so nice and relaxing. But other than that, Dr. Schlesinger was hands-on. He made sure that everything was exactly how it was supposed to be at every follow-up appointment, which was awesome because he had been with me the whole way, and it's not like going to a nurse or a PA or something where you have to re-explain symptoms or anything like that. My friends and family notice a difference. Physically, yes, I do look different, but I didn't have to really do a lot of extra shopping. Like I just fill out my clothes a little bit nicer. I just look better, and I think the biggest difference that my husband in particular and close friends have noticed that I look different because my shoulders are back, I'm confident, I'm smiling. Not that I didn't smile before, but I have a totally different aura about myself, and they've noticed that and latched onto that change, I think the biggest. Do it. I would tell anybody that was on the fence or curious about it, just if this is something you feel that you need, do it. Stop waiting. I waited. I was waiting, until a certain age, or maybe I shouldn't have it before kids or whatever, and just do it. It changes not just your physical appearance, but your confidence and your ability to care about yourself. Like you're just so much happier about just day-to-day things, and it sounds so superficial, but it really isn't when it affects you that deeply.